Again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, good to see you tonight.
I can't wait till tomorrow's over.
24 hours.
24 hours.
We've been hearing about this for years, and the election comes down to tomorrow, and we're going to get down to things tonight here on The Law and You with the question from another one of our viewers. Let's get to it. This is about auto insurance. Paul in Kingston says, what is tort reform and why is it bad? What's the deal with this?
Well, I mean, very simply, this is what tort reform is. Tort reform is taking away your legal rights, taking away your constitutional rights. Everybody, the Second Amendment is the right to bear arms and the right to have a gun. People go crazy about that right. Well, the Seventh Amendment is the right to a trial by jury, and that's what tort reform is trying to do. They're trying to strip people away from their constitutional right to a trial by jury, either by making it harder to access the court system. And everybody always talks about, well, there's too many lawsuits. There's of course you do not want a frivolous lawsuit, but what you want is that when you're hurt or injured, or if it's a business or whatever it is, you want access to the court system so that you could seek redress in a very civil manner. And tort reform is aimed at taking that away.
And it's been an effort for people to basically lock people out of a courtroom. It's been going on for 60, 70 years now. And the good news is people are waking up and realizing that, hey, that's a constitutional right, and we should hold on to it, because at the end of the day, if it's you and you want get your case to a jury and someone's telling you can't, that's not what our country's founded upon. So, tort reform is bad. And, Eddie touched on it, but frivolous lawsuits don't win in court because they don't have the right evidence or the law's not on their side. So there is a clearinghouse. A jury says if they don't find for you, then your case is a loser and you don't win. So frivolous suits don't get paid. And a lot of times lawyers don't take them because in our work, we only get paid when we win. So we don't like to take frivolous lawsuits. We only take good lawsuits.
Now, our viewers, they have the right to ask you any legal question they would like. Yep. So how can they do that?
Sure. And if people want to ask us more about it, give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or if you have a question, put it on our Facebook page. Be more than happy to answer it on an upcoming segment. Especially, this is a really important topic. Yeah. More than happy to talk more about it.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night, guys.
Thanks, Dave.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.